The rogue nation Pakistan and its supporters continue with their mischief during standoff with India through cyber warfare. During the recent period of hostility with India, Pakistan, along with its allies, launched as many as 15 lakh cyber attacks across India, targeting key infrastructural websites. Due to better preparedness of India against these cyber attacks, only 150 of such attacks were successful, but the evil designs of Pakistan and its backers were certainly revealed. The cyber offensive is believed to originate primarily from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Morocco, and other Middle Eastern nations. Informing this at a press conference, Maharashtra Cyber Additional Director General of Police Yashasvi Yadav, however, ruled out claims that hackers had stolen sensitive data from Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, breached aviation and municipal systems, or targeted the Election Commission website. Since the start of recent hostilities between India and Pakistan post Pahalgam massacre, Maharashtra Cyber has also identified as many as 7 advanced persistent threat groups. Interestingly, it was only after the ceasefire took place between Pakistan and India did the cyber attack started witnessing a downtrend, though it has not yet fully stopped. Maharashtra Police has come up with a report titled Road of Sindoor, linked to all these cyber attacks. The report has been submitted to all key law enforcement agencies, including the Director General of Police and the State Intelligence Department. Significantly, Maharashtra Cyber Cell in its report had identified 7 hacking groups as APT-36, Pakistan Cyber Force, Indo-HackSec, Team Insane PK, Mysterious Bangladesh, Cyber Group Wax 1337, and National Cyber Crew responsible for cyber attacks in India. Certainly, today's cyber warfare has also become a key part in conflicts. A cyber expert terms it as part of modern-day warfare. Every geopolitical conflict today has a cyber dimension because cyber warfare is a modern strategy of war. Here too, pro-Pakistani and Bangladeshi activists launched offensives, but none were successful, said a cyber security analyst. But then, these hackers could not penetrate the critical infrastructure of the country, or else the consequences could be lethal. India has treated digital security with the same seriousness as physical security, and this is the reason these pro-Pakistani hackers failed in their misadventure. Well, if you liked the video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.